Hello, how you doing? So today is September the 11th, and September the 11th is Ethiopian New Year. It's a great big deal in Ethiopia, of course, New Year. I just want to say thank you to all of our Ethiopian followers who tune into the channel and check out our Ethiopian recipes. So yeah, Happy New Year to all Ethiopians around the world. So there'll be lots of dorowot chicken stew being served today, with lots of other food, people coming round to each other's houses, celebrating, a little bit of dancing and singing. There's going to also be there's a little fire. You light a fire, not too big, in your garden or outside, and you jump over the fire to take you from one year to the other, basically is the idea. You're jumping into the new year. So lots and lots of celebrations. So Happy New Year to you all. Lots of singing. Ababayosh, lam lam, lam lam, lam lam, lam lam. Happy New Year to you all. Cheers, guys.
Meskerem